Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the BulkSupplements L-Tryptophan Powder, 250 grams. The only con is they do not include a measuring scoop, which is bad due to the varying dosages and how it can affect you, but the product is good and pure. Possible to capsule as well, but the powder isn't terrible tasting, and there's no time wasted in the process. Great product. Has a slightly bitter flavor to it, but after taking it a couple times it doesn't bother me anymore. Recommended dosage is about 12 teaspoons, so in a 250 gram bag you have about 500. Taking some of this pure powder, and also some melatonin from the same company, helps me to get to sleep at night, and sleep deeply. If it was a pharmaceutical company, would grab it, and probably either not let it into the world, or add chemicals to it, completely negating the natural benefits. Ever see the ads on TV for the sleeping secret that the drug companies don't want you to know about? This is the ingredient. If you take it this way, there is a slight bitter taste that does not linger. Also, it got extremely hot for a long time in a black mailbox in the desert sun. 3 grams of this had a similar effect as 200 milligrams of melatonin, but much stronger. This is an excellent product, and a good way to assist your body in the amount of serotonin it produces. Dependent upon what your end game is for nutrition, you might go with 5-HTP, or melatonin instead. But at these prices, and amounts, you might as well experiment a little, and see what works for you. It's easier, and less messy than trying to mix the powder into something, at least for me. It's difficult to store these bags, and if they fall over, more a matter of when rather than if. The powder near the top of the bag puffs out when the bag is next opened. A cheaper way to go for those who find the benefit of tryptophan for anxiety, or sleep. That wakes me up in the middle of the night, and can't fall back to sleep. The taste is nothing to be desired, but it is expected since there are no additives to make it taste good. Pros are you get a lot more servings for a great price compared to buying it in capsule form. Product, as expected, product came as an odorless, pure white, very fine powder similar to the consistency of powdered sugar. Dip the scoop in for your dose, add a cup, and be on your way. It's a chain organic chem that moves as L-tryptophan via converted to serotonin, and when serotonin is needed, it won't bother if you got an immune system compromise, or if you're suffering from anything via inflammation. The Mood Cure author recommends L-tryptophan to nursing mothers and their babies to help with sleep. Have a little water in mouth, dump measured amount in mouth, swish, swallow, endure the bitter aftertaste. One last thing, many people leave comments about amino acids such as this, saying they don't work for them. The great thing is, aminos such as this are natural to your body, and what you get in food, although sometimes not enough. Unlike prescription meds, tryptophan helps you wake up refreshed. It has been a lifesaver for me. If you plan to mix it with a drink, and take it, then this is not for you. It is incredibly hard to drink down, and you need a water chaser to get it down. The dosage of L-tryptophan is quite a bit higher than the HTP, so a package does not last as long. Dose for dose they are about the same price, but HTP goes a long way. It tastes a bit nasty, and you should hold your breath so you don't suck it into your airway, or blow it out your nose. Smells a bit nasty too. You may have a better system, but in about 45 minutes you should be able to get some rest. Only con so that it is very difficult to dissolve, and the taste is truly horrid. 51 grams in the morning, or 2 grams in the evening to help me sleep. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.